Hi guys, I am Isha Rose. I have created this video to promote author Isha Shah. Isha is the author, writer, and publisher. She has completed her graduation from the one of the best universities at United States. She is author, inspirational speaker, and a writer. Till now, she has written eight titles which are following: Fashion Diaries, Fashionista, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, Be a Dreamer, Confidence Produces Strength, Positive Affirmations, The Magic of Thinking Big, Give Rise to Faith, and Precious Daily Insights. You will find all of her titles on Amazon.com website by searching Isha Shah. The spell is EESHASHAH. Guys, my today's broadcast is all about create positive difference in the world. It's about author Isha Shah's second book, Inspiration Me. It targets each and every age group, and I am providing short previews of her second book, Inspiration Me. February 11. A person can almost be defined by his or her attitude towards gratitude. Athletic competition clearly defines the unique power of our attitude. I was looking for something a lot heavier yet melodic at the same time. I think it is important and I think it is true that our life experience is going to be about our attitude, our thoughts, our beliefs, our speech, and our actions. We can transform our life experience simply by changing our language. February 12. I do have moments of insecurity. I feel aggressive when I feel insecure. I do have moments of jealousy. Jealousy is normal. You can get jealous. It is very normal emotion. It is your action, your attitude, and your reaction that is important. If you want to find something new, look for something new. February 13, you might have visions about success. It can affect your attitude. Your attitude is optimistic. Be careful about pessimistic attitude. There is a brief moment of success. When success there is in man's mind and soul and spirit is reflected through his eyes, his hands, his attitude. An attitude to life which seeks fulfillment. You can think about single minded pursuits of wealth. February 14. Being deeply contented with God in my everyday life is a focused attitude. It is always available. Style is a reflection of your attitude and your personality. Eagles come in all shapes and sizes, but you will recognize them chiefly by their attitudes. Punk was defined by an attitude rather than musical style. February 15. The remarkable thing is your attitude. We have a choice every day regarding the attitude. We will embrace attitude for that day. Attitudes are more important than facts. Our attitude towards others determines their attitude towards us. Watch your manner of speech. You can wish to develop a peaceful state of mind. Start each day by affirming peaceful, contented, and happy affirmations. Your day will tend to be pleasant and successful by positive affirmations. Uh, okay, guys, I know nothing of author Isha Shah. Each and every copyrights are under her authority. I purchased her 8 books, read it, and inspired my life, and wanted you guys to do not miss out uh, reading this beautiful book. You guys will love it. For more info, check link below. See ya, guys. Take care. I love you all. Have a great moments of your life. May God bless you all. Amen.